In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use multiple effects on TikTok when you have been creating your videos. So I'm on the home page of TikTok right now. To create a video, just tap on the plus icon located at the bottom in the center. That will open up the TikTok camera, and you want to select first of all your video length, so 15, 60 or 3 minutes. I'll just do a 15-second short video for this example. Then you want to select your effect, so tap over here where it says effects, and I'll just select any old effect. So I'll choose this one right here, and then I'll tap on the screen again to move that away, and then I'll just long press on the button, the record button, to begin recording. And now it's busy recording. I will record up to 5 seconds, and then I'll move on to the next effect. So you'll notice the blue progress bar at the top there, signifying that we have one clip. Now if you want to add another effect into the same TikTok video, just tap once again there where it says effects, and let me choose another effect. So what about this one, Gold Coast? So that looks fine. I made everything like kind of brighter. So then I'll just press on the record button again, and now I have 2 effects in that same TikTok video. Once you're ready, tap on the tick mark at the bottom right hand corner, and you'll see the first effect comes in there, and then the second one should come in as well once that is finished, and there it is. So then you just need to tap on next, and obviously you want to edit your TikTok video however you want to edit it before you post it. And you'll notice here you can see the 2 effects that I used, the stars waterfall and the Gold Coast. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like on this and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.